Got squeaky doors? This is how to stop a door from squeaking. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I make DIY and woodworking videos. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. So if you have a squeaky door, easy way to fix it, pick up some silicone lubricant, grab some paper towel, and what you want to do is put a little shot of silicone lubricant in each of the hinges. It's that simple. It's a good idea to have a piece of paper towel on hand, so if you spray a little bit too much lubricant, you can just wipe that up. This is not a paid promotional video. This is a product that I use. I'll put an affiliate link to the silicone lubricant product in the description below. Buying anything using the affiliate link will help support my YouTube channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra money. Done. How do you fix your squeaky door hinges? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.